Hello everyone. Let's start the session with a dhwani of Om. Om. Today we are going to discuss about forgiveness. Many times you must have heard from many healers and from many persons, do forgiveness, forgive that person, forget about it. Don't worry about all these. You must experience all these. But have you ever think, what is forgiveness? Why do I need to forgive? And is it compulsory for everyone to forgive? And if we won't forgive, what will happen to us? What is the outcome of non-forgiveness? Let us understand these concepts in detail. Now, have you ever think when we think of some person, that person should call me, I should get a call from that person, किसी की बार बार ध्यान आता हो, वो पर्सन मुझे कॉल क्यों नहीं कर रहा, आई मिसप्लेस दैट नंबर, ये मैसेज कई बार आपके किसी फ्रेंड के पास पहुंच जाता है. This message is received just by your thinking. You don't have a correct number of your friend or any loved one or any known one. You are unable to connect to them through call and you are continuously thinking, please call, please call. I don't have your number. I'm trying to talk to you. And suddenly you get a call from that person after years. Maybe after years, maybe after few days, maybe after many days. But this happened after your thinking. Why? Why this happened after your thinking? Everything is energy. My words are energy. Your words are energy. My thinking is also energy. When I think of a word, every word has some frequency on which it radiates. Frequency of love is different from frequency of sadness. Frequency of forgiveness is different from frequency of hatred. So every word has energy and this has its own frequency. When we think, that radiation of that particular, we vibrate in that particular frequency, and that frequency reached to all those people who are in the same vibration mode. This is called, also you can say this as a chord making. आपने अपने माइंड में किसी को सोचा, उसे याद किया और उस पर्सन ने आपको कॉल कर दी. Basically, when you think, you connect to that person's frequency and also make a chord with that person. चाहे हम अच्छे के लिए याद करें या हम किसी नेगेटिव मेमोरी को, किसी ने हमारे साथ कुछ गलत किया, उसको याद करते हैं. We make chords. जैसे किसी को रस्सियों से बांध दिया गया. We make chords with that person. Negative chords will be created if we recall a person with negative memories. Positive chords will be created if we recall a person with positive memories. Positive memories, positive chords will not harm us. वो हमें कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सकते. They are like blessings for us. But negative memories, negative chords, it's like draining our energy. It's like tie a rope around a person. जैसे person की चारों तरफ rope से उसको बांध दिया जाए. It's like this. Suppose a person A, think of a person B for any reason. This is suppose person A and this is suppose person B. Person A think of a person B. What will happen? Person B कि कॉर्ड इस पर्सन के चारों तरफ आ जाए। नाउ इफ दिस पर्सन थिंक अबाउट अ सी पर्सन, उसकी कॉर्ड इसके चारों तरफ आए। इफ दिस पर्सन थिंक अबाउट अ डी पर्सन, इनकी कॉर्ड इनके चारों तरफ आए। सो बेसिकली व्हाट विल हैपन टू दिस पर्सन ए, ये कॉर्ड से घिरे हुए हैं, ये एक तरीके से रस्सियों से बंधे हैं। मे बी गुड, मे बी बैड। Good will not harm us, it will become like a blessings for us. But negative and bad thoughts will definitely harm a person. अब क्या होगा अगर किसी को continuously बांधते जाइए, एक टाइम आएगा that person get stuck, उसको ब्रीथ करने में भी प्रॉब्लम होने लगेगी। That is the stage when lack of forgiveness creates health issues for a person. So that is the reason forgiveness is important for everyone. As soon as we keep on forgiving, we are removing all these cords. हम उनसे डिस्कनेक्ट होते जा रहे हैं, उनकी तरफ भेजी गई जो भी नेगेटिव मेमोरीज हैं उनसे हटते जा रहे हैं, कॉर्ड्स कटते जा रहे हैं, एंड वी रिमेन हेल्दी. So actually forgiveness is for our own health, not for second person's health. It is for my own self. आपने सुना भी होगा, it is like having coal in your hand. पहले कौन बर्न होगा? आपका हैंड पहले बर्न होगा. If you keep coal in your hand, a burning coal in your hand, what will happen? Your hand get burned first. Similarly, जब हम किसी को नेगेटिव मेमोरी से याद करते हैं, पहले वो मेरे अंदर जाती है, पहले वो मुझे हर्ट करती है, पहले वो मेरे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में एंटर होती चली जाती है. जितनी बार रिकॉल कर रहे हैं उतनी बार इट इज गोइंग more deeper, more deeper, more deeper into my subconscious mind. Second person को तो कुछ फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता. That person doesn't know what's going on. Only I get hurt. So who need to forgive? I need to forgive because I'm getting hurt. I need to forgive because I have to make myself free, free of all the cords, free of all that negative vibes, negative energies. So I hope now you understand why forgiveness is important and how it makes us ill, makes our body more diseased. We will go into more detail tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining and listening to the series of forgiveness. Thank you. Bye-bye.